Today's kitchen is much more than just a place where we cook. It has become the hub of family living. And that's why at Reflections, we want to help you to transform your clients' kitchens into beautiful, welcoming spaces. Reflections is an aluminium-based substrate, which is a sleek and modern alternative to glass, acrylic and tile splashbacks. This fire-resistant, flame-retardant panel is certified to be installed behind electric and gas cooktops. Its proprietary high-gloss coating technology makes the surface scratch and UV resistant. Reflections is also steam and water resistant, making it ideal for other residential and commercial applications. Unlike glass, it is highly durable, as it will not shatter or crack. It is 3 times faster to install than tile splashbacks, saving you and your client time and money. Reflections can be installed straight onto plasterboard or even over tiles. It's easy and quick to fabricate, bend around corners and make cutouts for power sockets. Reflections' smooth and grout-free surface is easy to clean and maintain, making it a more hygienic option compared to tiles. Reflections panels are available in a wide range of standard sizes. A specialised packaging system ensures that each panel is thoroughly protected to arrive intact at any New Zealand destination. Available in a wide range of colours, Reflections is a thoroughly versatile and eco-friendly product. For samples and trade pricing, contact Reflections today.